So, people keep saying to me that I sound like Omega from Bad Batch. I personally don't think I sound like her at all. But, I mean, I guess it's in the middle. But I have a few videos I'm going to choose of what I am going to be doing. Actually, okay, I didn't plan this out very good. And now I just think I planned it out. So I'm gonna probably put the hold on. I'm probably gonna like put the video down in the description and you guys get to compare me to Omega and I have this on mute for right now, so I'm also gonna be doing Hunter and others. So the most ones I know of are in here, so I'm gonna try and make this a short video if I can. I'm gonna actually turn this speed up because I talk a bit fast. Okay, so that'll work. This is Mr. Lightyear, so yeah, so I need to get my yawns out. Okay. I'm just gonna do it now so I don't get tied up. Let's wake up, company. Hold on. Hello. What's that? Atlas and human female. Origins uncertain. My name's Amiga. I was wondering when you guys would come back. You know who we are. Hunter, Echo, Take, Ricker, and Crosshair. You're Clone Force 99. What are you doing on Camino, kid? Her job, of course. She is my medical assistant. One with one with a curious mind that causes her to wonder. Come, Omega. There is work to do. This story keeps getting weirder and weirder. Okay, next one. I personally don't think I sound like them at all. Okay. I'm gonna, because I don't really remember all of this part. I should, but I don't. Hold on. Yawn. Okay. I'm gonna probably take my hair down while I do this anyway. Smells weird. Because it's clean. Well, the plan was a total failure. Oh, goody. I warned you not to come back. Had to. We were looking for you. May! That's right. What do you say? Want to come with us? Or did we get captured for no man? You came back for me? Or you... I messed up. Hold on. Hold on. I know it's because of the speed. It's because of the speed. Hold on. Ow. I warned you not to come back. Had to. We're looking for you. May! That's right. I forgot that part. Did we get captured for nothing? You came back for May? That's right. Or you can stay on Camino if... No, it's like I said before. I want to go with you. How touching. Hunter, how are we breaking out of here? I'm working on it. You know what you should work on? Explaining when you went soft. Slow it, Crosshair. Don't you see we're locked up in here because of him? He had us disobeying orders. I never thought you disobeying orders was a problem. Yeah, we do it all the time. Good soldiers follow orders. Every choice you've made since color has been wrong. First a Padawan, then Guerrera. You're becoming a liability. You're becoming a liability. We can debate my choices later. For now, let's focus on getting out of here. I know I just lost, like, my whole sense. You guys know what I mean? Okay, there are others. Excuse me. I don't really remember this one, but I know of it. Let me just turn it down a little bit. Just gonna turn it down a little bit. Change words for you. So you can say, wait, did I do something wrong? You need a family, kid. The good people who give you the life you deserve. But I want to stay. I keep to stay with you. Quit holding up the line. You have to go, Omega. It's for your own good. Blah blah, all that. Next one. I cannot see. My glasses are foggy. All of this. Okay, anyway, I hate glasses. I really do. Okay, anyway, what is. I cannot see. My life is living. Oh, okay. I love this one. Shout out to my boy Echo. You know me on Discord. Yeah, it's CJ. Um, sorry, Echo, but you're getting sold. If you're looking to sell some, how about your droid? Droid. He's a military prototype. Military, eh? Mm, yeah, give you 2,000. Give me a minute. No, you can't be serious. We need the credits. Once we get it, we can give you a signal and you can leave. Fine, but not in that price. I am worth more than 2,000. Right. Make it 4,000. 3. Deal. I just love it when he does this. Blah blah. Sorry, Echo. Echo, go to your new owner. Yes, whatever you require. Help me, bro. Okay. Omega. Anyway, why I just realized I have not been doing all Omega. Hold on. If I remember correctly, this is the one. Wait. Okay. This is the one. Rika? Oh. Rika! Blah blah, all that. I'm not gonna do the crying. Are you okay, Omega? Are you hurt? Why is this happening to me? Why are the Kaminoans after me? Honda, you have to tell her. You're valuable to them. More than any of us. And you're different. Different? How? Blah blah, all this. Bounty Hunter, Cad Bane, blah blah. Okay. Well, I guess that's over. I really don't want to do anymore. Is this a sightseeing? If it is, I will do this. Okay, I will. I will. I will. Okay, that's probably the last one I'm doing. I don't remember all of it. You can't sell that explosive. It's the last one. It's the only thing worth any money. You want to eat, do you? Well, you get to go sightseeing. Sightseeing? No, 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 no. This is supply run. In and out, quickly and quietly. Yeah, you stick out too much. Oh, and you don't? Not just like this. Sorry, I got my crazy. Yes. Okay. I know. Hey, bring that some good to eat. I can't remember. Blah blah. Okay. I will do 2 or 3 more and then I'll be done. Because I do not want to do this. Bro, this is very rare for me to do this in front of people. So you guys are lucky, at least. Kinda, I think. I just love this. Can't sleep. I keep thinking about the Kaminoans, seeing that place. I don't want to end up in experiment in a tube. That's not gonna happen. If you're as valuable as I say, Lamassu would keep sending bounty hunters after me. He can send the entire galaxy, but you have us. You can't fight them all. Omega, you don't have to worry. You are never going back to Camino. Promise? I promise. Blah blah. Okay, I don't know why I whispered that. Okay, it's either that I'm very, very. Okay, I'll do the Django Fett. Now, this one I have done only once. Once. And this is the second time I'm doing it. So, yeah. I'm gonna mess up. I know this. That's him. Cadbine. I keep forgetting it. But you know this? Why are they after the kid? 'Cause she's more valuable than we realized. What do you mean? I and discovered she has pure generating neck. What does that mean? In obedience? Obedience? I keep forgetting this. This is useless. One other. Alpha, they referred to as Boba. Don't war. Blah blah blah. Okay, I have to stop. Okay. Last one. I know, okay. I know this isn't all about Omega. Okay, I'll do 2 more. This next one is going to be that, and then the next one. Okay. You guys are getting lucky. I hate this, but I'm doing it. Also, I have 32 subscribers, so you know what? It's worth doing. Okay. I'm sweet, you guys. Sweet. Mostly sweet. You never know. Never. Mostly sweet. Probably a little bit on the edge some of the time. Now I'm starving. Primary go. Your priority. You here for repairs? Just mind it. Just need to scan your shipping. Are you sure about that? I suppose I can skip that step. Mm-hmm. Well, that was easy. Aren't you forgetting something? The you said you skipped the step. I could. Great. If I had some variety as a financial variety. The financial variety. I think he means credits. Is that sufficient enough? Pleasure doing business with you. Blah blah. We're getting the hang of this civilian thing. Okay, blah blah. Anyway, last one. You guys, I am literally dying. I'm dying right now. I kinda have to swing of it all. Can't believe we're helping us with this. So you have said repeatedly. Never think I would do it recklessly. Never like this. Blah blah. Now are you convinced? No. Now are you convinced? No. Echo, are you sure you're convinced? Okay. But yeah, that's all. So, yeah. I'm done. CJ out. Bye.